Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to install TikTok as an app on Windows PC. So to start, go ahead and open any browser. And from here, go ahead and search for TikTok. So click the first one that appears. Next is to sign in to your account. So just click on login at the top right. Then once you're logged in, click the three dots at the top right. Then scroll down and look for Cast, Save, and Share. So go ahead and go to Cast, Save, and Share. And from the options, click Install Page as App. You can rename the app and click on Install to confirm the action. And once done, that's basically it. You can now use TikTok as an app on your Windows PC. Next method is to install it from Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store and from the search bar, search for TikTok. Now from these choices, look for TikTok and click on it and click on install or get depending on your device. So click on install and as you can see is now getting ready. It's now preparing to download. Just wait for it to finish downloading. So let's just take a few seconds and it's done. So just wait till you see an open option in here. And you can now use it as an app on your PC. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.